Welcome to Fast and Flow Excel to Tally software. In today's video, you will learn how to import GSTR2A into Tally quickly and easily using Fast and Flow. Let's get started. Here is our GSTR2A Excel file. As you can see, the sheet contains extra spaces, repeated entries, and unorganized data. Instead of entering everything manually, Fast and Flow can import it into Tally within minutes. First, close the Excel sheet. Now, open the Fast and Flow Excel to Tally software. The software will automatically connect to your open Tally company. Just verify that the correct company is connected. Now click on GST Operations. Select GSTR2A Import. Click Browse and select your Excel file. Now click Submit and just save the file. Within a few seconds, Fast and Flow automatically arranges and prepares the data for import. Next, go to Purchase and Sales. Keep all these selections as they are and click on Open Template. You can also add this template as a quick action, so you can open it directly from the dashboard whenever you need it. This saves time and gives you quick access to your most frequently used template. Now open the template. Next step is one-time easy mapping. Simply map your Excel columns. If you've already created a mapping for this Excel format, simply click on Go to Sheet. There's no need to map the same sheet again and again. For new mapping, simply enter columns. Date is in column E. Invoice number is in column C. GST numbered T is in column A. Party name is in column B. Then map the taxable amount and GST rate. That's all you need to do. Now click Save Map. Give your mapping any name for future reference. Then click Submit. Next, enter the starting and ending row numbers. For example, if your data starts from row 2 and ends at row 72, simply enter those numbers and click Enter. Now choose how you want to create the purchase ledgers. You can select Common Ledger or GST Rate-Wise Ledger according to your requirement. Click Submit. Now Fast and Flow does the remaining work automatically. The software fills all voucher details. It calculates GST automatically. It also applies rounding off automatically. Everything is ready for import. Now click Export to Tally. Before exporting, Fast and Flow automatically detects any missing ledgers and creates them for you. If the ledger names in your Excel sheet are different from those already available in Tally, Fast and Flow automatically helps you match them with your existing Tally ledger names. No manual editing is required. Finally, click Next. Then click Export to Tally. That's it. Your complete GSTR2A data has been successfully imported into Tally. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Fast and Flow tutorials. To download the software, visit www.fastandflow.com. For a live demo, WhatsApp us at 98867999378. See you in the next video.